Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen.
Kuya Yong, happy 60th birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, nandiyan ka pa din. Salamat sa lahat. Stay healthy. Pagbalik mo sa barko. Tapos, kita na lang tayo next year. Inshallah. Pauwi tayo ng sabay. Akit na lang tayo ng bundok. Doon na lang tayo magtira. God bless. Bye.
Yung happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the club of being a senior citizen. And we thank God for the blessings of life and for God's divine preservation. On your birthday, my wish that you will become prosperous, be in health, even as your soul also will become prosperous. Continue to serve the Lord faithfully. Thank you and God bless. Happy birthday, Yung. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy 68th birthday pa. Nakita ni Lord na kung paano ka magmahal at napakabuting ama sa pamilya mo. Maybe the enemy will came in the form of sickness and crisis, but God remind us that He is greater than all things, declaring safety sa imong life pa, everywhere you go. I declare increase in every aspect in your life. I declare good health sa imuha pa, and even sa imong pamilya, and declaring also na mas lalo ka pang mapalapit sa Panginoon, sa presensya niya, kasama ng pamilya mo. Happy birthday po. God bless you always.
Happy 60th birthday, Lola Yoyong. Thank you po sa mga pasalubong mo sa amin. And sana po lagi kang maging healthy. Ingat po. God bless.
Ikaw, ano sabihin mo kay Tita Yoyong? Happy birthday to Yong. We always pray yung good health mo and more life. And thank you po sa pagiging kindness mo, lalo na sa family. And lagi ka po mag-iingat. Love na love ka po namin. Ay, happy birthday again.
Happy birthday kayo! Thank you! Happy birthday! Kalbo!
Happy birthday, Kuya Yong, from Seven Seas Mariner with love. Stay healthy. Enjoy your being senior citizen with 20% discount. God bless.
Tol, ligayang kaarawan. Sana'y bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at maayos na kalusugan. Makamit mo lahat ng pinapangarap mo. Again, happy birthday, Tol. I love you.
Tol, related happy birthday. Grabe Tol, 60 ka na Tol. Ako 62, ikaw 60 no? Parang kailan lang no? Bilis ng panahon. Pogi ba ka Tol? Hindi ka naman si APJ ba Tol? Alam ko sino idol mo eh. Si Rudy Fernandez, di ba? The Boy ka, di ba? Hindi naman si APJ eh. The Boy. Yun ang original, di ba? The Boy. Kahit tumata ko Tol eh. Michelle tulog eh. Sa bilog tulog na rin eh. Kaya ako na lang Tol. Ingat ka lagi Tol ha. Lakas mo pa nga di ba? No? Lakas ka pa nga eh. Kaya sa akin eh. Alam ko masakit sa'yo yung gito eh. Tawag gito Tol. Sabi mo sa akin di ba? Kasi buhat ka ng buhat na mabigat eh. Kaya yun ang masakit sa'yo eh. Kaya mawawala rin yan Tol. Alam mo naman ng Diyos eh. Hindi naman tayo bibigyan ng problema hindi natin kaya. Agal. Sige Tol. Tulog na ako. Happy birthday na ulit Tol. Related. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Yoyong. Ang kapatid kong saksakan ng bait. Wala ka na masasabi sa sobrang kabaitan. Ikaw na ang number 1 PJ ng Cedro. Sana layuan ka ng mga sakit. Ulitin ko, happy birthday kapatid. Senior ka na, pros na tayo. Pros na kayo senior, pero ako hindi pa senior sa kasilatlat. Ano pa lang kami? 29, hindi pa kami senior, kayo lang ang senior. Bye-bye. Happy birthday uli. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Poging Kalbo. Senior ka na.
Hala, 29 lang ako Senior na pala, parang nasa 30s ka lang
Itong katabi ko, ayaw pong tumanggap malapit na maging senior. Hinahabol ka na nito.
Parang 30 ka lang Kasi 29 lang ako Happy birthday.
Daya mo, di mo kami sinama dyan. Sama kami, kaming dalawa lang.
Hindi ba kami imbitado?
Kaya nga. Di mo inimbita yung kambal mo sa kay ate mo.
Kaya nga.
Ha? Happy birthday.
Wish sa'yo good health,
Oo, sana.
more blessing, and more birthday to come.
Abutin ka pa ng 100. Sumubas 100 pa.
Mag-iingat ka lagi.
Love you.
Baka naman gusto mo kaming, wala pa tayong walang tulugan.
kape? Wala. Yung wala tulugan na ano? Walang kape-kape lang. Kape tayo, wala tulugan. Wala bang ganon? Gusto namin yung ganon eh. O, sige, bye-bye. Love you.
Love you. Happy
bye-bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength.